Hi guys, nice to meet you again. This is Mike Chen from Star. Now I'm at our main gate of our factory. Let me show you our factory. Let's go.
This is our office. This is the dormitory canteen. This is the manufacturing unit. This is technology department. We have more than 30 engineers as well as collaborating with the top engineer from Italy to design. This is production and quality control office. The inline and final production is well controlled by this dedicated team. This is the production area for quarry wire saw machine. Annually we are producing 300 quarry wire saw machines which sell well over the world. This month we have just completed 5 sets of 55 kilowatts quarry machines sent to South Korea. I have also received an order on 10 sets of 75 kilowatts machine from Iran, which will be completed next month. Let's check out the main components of our machine, which is Siemens motor. German quality make sure live serious and stable operation. We use Yaskawa inverter with variable torque. Feeding speed can be regulated automatically and smoothly if setting force changes. The controller is placed separately. It's easier to maintain. Our machine can be operated manually and automatically. And the operation can be realized when the equipment is running automatically and one person can operate multiple equipment. We will keep updating if you have any questions or